Hey everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is to demonstrate how to utilize lxml module to parse and remove unwanted XML record. Firstly, we need to download the Python code via GitHub. Head over to the GitHub site to read all the explanation and steps how to use this tool. Please refer to the requirement file to install necessary Python module and clone the repository to your local machine. Please refer to description below for the GitHub link. To walk through the steps, we'll start by showing how to clone from GitHub. After successfully clone GitHub repository, we can install the necessary module based on requirement file by using pip tool. After successfully installed required Python module, we may run the program with tout any given parameter, a XML sample file also included in the package. We may run the program with accepted option and input to start parsing XML file and to get search result. The check option accepts string input as search criteria. For this particular example, we search for Anna. Search result return the element contain Anna, and together with element index ID. Index IDs serve as locator to identify each element later. Besides allow to perform search, this tool also allows to remove any element item with remove option. Please take note that remove option only accept integer as input. After successful removal, this tool will create a separate XML file with prefix file name remove underscore concatenated with original file name. For this particular example, target removal file name will be removal_sample.xml. Let's do a final check if the removal is successful. We will perform a search for Anna and Alba. Based on returned results shows that Anna record still exists, and Alba record has been removed. That basically concludes today's video. Any further information can refer to our GitHub repository. Hope this video being informative and helpful. And please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And finally, thanks you for watching. Bye.